In this video, you'll learn how to add emojis in Microsoft Loop. Emojis are a simple way to make your pages more expressive, highlight important points, or just add a bit of personality to your content. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through the process step by step so you feel comfortable using emojis anytime you're working in Loop. First, make sure you have a Microsoft Loop page open. You can use any page you like for this, whether it's a shared workspace with your team, a personal note, or a brainstorming document. If you haven't created a page yet, just open Loop, create a new page, and give it a quick title so you know what it's for. Once your page is open, you're ready to start. Next, click in the text area where you want the emoji to appear. This could be inside a sentence, at the end of a paragraph, in a checklist item, or even as a visual marker at the start of a line. Make sure your cursor is placed exactly where you want the emoji to go because it will be inserted at that specific point in the text. Now, instead of trying to copy and paste emojis from another app, you can use a built-in shortcut on your computer to open the emoji picker. The shortcut you use depends on whether you're on Windows or Mac. On Windows, press the Windows key and the period key at the same time. That's Win plus dot. On a Mac, press Command, Control, and the space bar together. That's CMD plus Control plus space. When you press that shortcut, an emoji panel will appear on your screen. On Windows, it usually pops up near your cursor, showing a grid of emojis along with tabs or categories you can browse through. On Mac, a similar panel appears, often starting with frequently used emojis and then letting you scroll or search through the rest. Take a moment to look through the emoji options. You can scroll to see different categories like smiley faces, people, gestures, symbols, and more. If you're looking for something specific, many systems let you type a word in the search bar like smile, or star, or check to quickly filter the emojis. Once you've found the emoji you want, simply click it. As soon as you select it, the emoji will be inserted into your Loop page exactly where your cursor was. You can immediately keep typing after it, add a space, or insert multiple emojis in a row by clicking more entries from the emoji panel. If the panel gets in your way, you can usually close it by pressing escape or clicking away, and then reopen it using the same keyboard shortcut whenever you need another emoji. Remember, you're not changing anything special in Loop itself. You're just using your computer's built-in emoji picker while working in a Loop text field, and that's all there is to it. Open your Loop page, click where you want the emoji, use the shortcut for your device, and select the emoji you want to insert. With this quick method, you can add clear visual cues, emphasize key ideas, and make your Microsoft Loop pages more engaging and easier to read.